believe it is important to know about the different form of government structures and the laws like GST so that one can examine their own country.
In order to better understand, our fellow mates are here with the basic facts of parliamentary and presidential form of government, and which provide taxes, which provide a foundation to understand the structure and some of the pros and cons of the system.
ऐसी प्रणाली वह प्रणाली है जिसमें कार्यपालिका अपनी लोकांतरिक वैधता से प्राप्त करती है। इस प्रणाली में राज्य का मुखिया तथा सरकार का मुखिया अलग अलग व्यक्ति होता है।
Good afternoon, Manager Ma'am, Principal, parents, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Aparna Yadav from class 8. I am going to tell you about parliamentary system. In general, there are two types of democratic governments. They are parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. To understand these types of governments, first of all you need to know about three main organs of the government: legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature, it is the system of It is an assembly which makes laws for the country. Executive, this organ of the government has the authority and responsibility to enforce laws. Judiciary, it is a system of courts which applies law on behalf of the state. Parliamentary system. The head of the state and the head of the government are different persons. President is the head of the state and Prime Minister is the head of the government. In the parliamentary system, power is assigned to different government bodies. That power is decentralized. Executive branch is accountable to legislature. India, UK, Australia are some of the countries which follow the parliamentary form of governments. Merits. Power decentralization helps to keep the power in check. This kind of government is more democratic in nature. Government have to take the approval of the parliament before making any decisions. People can challenge the rules and decisions made by the government. These elections can be called and held at any time if the need arises. Executive and legislative branches are linked together to work as a single body. Although India follows this system, chiefly influenced by the British model, there are a few differences between the Indian and the British system. They are, in India, the PM can be from either the Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha. Thank you.
राष्ट्रपति प्रणाली शासन का एक ऐसा स्वरूप है जिसमें राष्ट्रपति मुख्य कार्यकारी होता है और जनता के द्वारा सीधा चुना जाता है।
Good morning, respected Manager Ma'am, parents, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ronak of class 8 and I am here to tell you about presidential system. So let's talk about presidential system. The head of the state and the head of the government are same person, that is president. He holds the power over both of them. The presidential system is generally centralized system where the president has ultimate power. The president leads executive branch which is separate from the legislature. USA, Brazil, South Korea are some of the countries which follow presidential form of government. Merits. In presidential system, the entire country can vote directly to choose their president. The election are held on strictly decided schedule that does not change unless very important. The presidential system provides stability of the government. The president is free from the influence of the parent. Demerits. The president is not responsible or answerable to anybody except the voters. It can risky for democratic government. Minority votes are suppressed, that minority groups and positions are marginalized. Thank you.